I just earned $2,000 in 2 weeks following this new method I just found out. You will be able to make $4,000 in a month easily using Instagram. This is the best way to make money online using Instagram. You don't need any followers for doing this, and it works in United States, Canada, India, Philippines, and other parts of the world as well. Today, I'll be sharing a completely new method to make money online using Instagram. This will be a step-by-step tutorial of all the steps you need to follow to earn $4,000 every single month. Once you complete all of the steps, you will be able to make money passively on complete autopilot. Just make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. This is a completely new method to make money online. I am going to share my earnings in the end, so make sure you watch the entire video to get an estimate of what you will be able to earn. If you love spending your time scrolling Instagram, this is the perfect opportunity for you. You will be making thousands of dollars while doing the thing you love. So step 1, I want you guys to head over to Instagram.com. Now you can do this on your computer, laptop, or on your mobile device. Now I want you to create a completely new account for this new method. Just fill in your details and sign up on Instagram. Once you log into your new account on Instagram, I want you guys to follow this very important step. If you miss this out, you will not get paid. Now what you need to do is, hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Now, step number 2, or the most important step you need to follow is, hover your mouse on the profile icon and click on Settings. At the very bottom, you will find an option to switch to professional account. I want you to go ahead and select that. Once you do that, you need to select Business on the next page. Select the category as a product or service and click Done. Then on the final page, simply select Don't use my contact info. After this, you will be redirected to your home page again. Now it's time for step number 3, but before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now go ahead and search for smart watches in the search bar. As you can see here, there are endless posts from different pages over here. I want you to click on Accounts at the very top. This will filter out all the accounts for smart watches on Instagram. Now you can select any one of these accounts. I have selected this for example. This page has thousands of followers on their business page. Don't worry, you won't need followers like these to make money on Instagram. Now I want you to select the Reels. As you can see here, these Reels are getting thousands of views each. This is the exact opportunity that we will be using to make $10,000 a month. Almost all the pages, including this page, is not using the new method to make money on Instagram. I'm going to reveal this new method in a minute. First, I want to introduce you guys to an amazing website that will help us to make money online. The name of this amazing website is DHgate. I have shared the link for this website in the description as well. DHgate is the world's leading online wholesale platform for goods made in China, connecting international buyers with Chinese wholesale sellers who offer amazing quality products at fraction of competitors' price. Not only wholesalers, but regular people like you and me can also purchase items from this free website. Now, don't worry, you won't need to purchase anything in advance. This is not dropshipping or drop servicing. This is a completely new method to make money online using Instagram. DHgate has a secure payment system and is trusted by millions of big brands all around the world. The best part is that it works worldwide, meaning you will be able to target people from all around the globe. Now for you to make money using this website, scroll all the way to the bottom of this website. You will notice Affiliate Program under the Partnership section. I want you to go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this webpage. You will notice here that this website will pay you up to 50% commissions on some products, whereas websites like Amazon only pay you 20% at max. And the best part is that you will get $5 for free when you bring in your first order. If you get 20 orders, you will get $50, going all the way up to $1,000. You will be making a fortune with this website. Now to sign up as an affiliate on this website, click the first link in the description. You will be redirected to this page where you need to fill in your details and sign up on the platform. Once you finish all the steps, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Here you can generate affiliate links for millions of products. For this video, I want you to search for smartwatches in the keyword search bar. You will be presented with hundreds of smartwatches with great designs and features. Now, you can watch the items by clicking on them. Select a smartwatch that you like and then click on the Get Link button below it. On the next page, just leave everything as it is and click on the Generate button. You will be presented with your affiliate link on this page. Now, if anyone clicks on this link and purchases an item, you will get paid a hefty commission. Now, the last step, that is step 5, I want you to head back to Instagram and select a username related to smartwatches. After that, write a nice bio for your business page. You can copy the bio from other pages as well. After this, download reels from different pages and re-upload them to your own page. You can type download IG Reels on Google and find many websites that will help you to download the reels for free. When you are posting your reels on Instagram, make sure to add your affiliate link in the caption so that people can purchase from your link. Once you complete this, you will be making thousands of dollars every single month on complete autopilot. I have been using this method for 2 weeks now, and as you can see, I have made over $7,000. This is literally the best way to make money online using Instagram. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.